Lo, I got your question. You want to find the critical value. Z sub alpha over 2 corresponds to 81% confidence level. You could use tables, I mean, in different ways. You can use calculator. I just chose, I kind of prefer StatCrunch because it provides a nice picture. It's real easy. So you just click on Stat, go in StatCrunch, click on Stat, Calculators, and you want to choose the normal calculator, and you want to click on Between. This is a between one. And so the area in between is 81%. You need to change that to decimal. Since it's z-score, mean is 0 and the standard deviation is 1, and we just leave those alone. That's the default. Then you put the 0.81, which is the 81% here, and you click compute, and it gives you this nice picture. This area in red is the 81 or 0.81%, total area is 1, and this 0.81. And we want the z-score right here. That's z sub alpha over 2, and so that's this number right here, 1.31. You round it to 2 places usually. They do give this one also, but that's not, not the one we want. We want this score here. So hope this helps.